Alright, we got this Nissan Titan, guys. It's true dual straight pipe. We did it about 6 months ago. The dad bought it back from the son. He says, I cannot take this noise no more. It's time to quiet it, Dad. Down. I said, Dad, you're getting too old. You need to get the young blood back in you. But he goes, yeah, but I need to think about, have myself think. So this is what it sounds like. This is the sound decibels on it. You guys can see, again. Right at 112. So we're gonna put in a dual in, dual out MAGNAFLOW style muffler, 22-inch body. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, so we'll let you guys hear it with straight pipe true duals. 2011 Nissan Titan, 5.6 liter, I think it is. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dualed from the factory into a dual in, single out usually. But we dualed it out, so we put a MAGNAFLOW 24-inch body muffler, dual in, dual out. We'll have a link in the description for it. 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and there, 2 1/4. And then massive 6-inch tips. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe.
I'll give you a couple hours.
Go ahead. Much better. As you guys can see, now the decibels from 115 to 86, 88, 91. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. It makes that noise. There it is. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Titan 24-inch body muffler, MAGNAFLOW true dual with 4 catalytic converters and 6-inch tips. Because, you know, why not?